2017 Chevrolet Suburban is Chevy's full-size truck-based SUV. It competes with the Ford Expedition and Toyota Land Cruiser, and it seats 7 or 8 passengers, depending on layout. For 2017, the Suburban adds a new trim level and some additional tech, safety and connectivity features. The Suburban is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 that makes 355 horsepower and mates to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The Suburban is available with either front-wheel or rear-wheel drive, and it has EPA-estimated fuel economy of 16 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway, 22 miles per gallon highway with 4-wheel drive. The Suburban is offered in 3 trim levels: LS, LT and Premier. Available features include teen driving monitoring system, leather seats, heated and cooled front seats, infotainment system, rear seat entertainment system, 22-inch wheels, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 4G LTE wireless hotspot, power folding second and third row seats, up to 7 USB ports, keyless entry, push-button start, wireless charging and remote start. Available safety features include dual front, side impact, front center, and head curtain side impact airbags. Other available safety features include forward collision alert, lane keep assist, side blind zone alert, lane change alert, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, front automatic braking and a rear view camera. The Suburban is built in Arlington, Texas.